guys, I know what you're probably thinking. Why the flippin' flip are you sitting on the floor in your bedroom? Well, let me just tell you, everybody and their mother trucking mother is home today, which I love. School's out for the summer and everybody's here. And my husband took today off to be productivity. However, with that being said, he's outside and he keeps setting off all the motion detectors. So I was like, well, I'll just film in my bedroom. So I've been filming like on the vlog channel. I've got some Shein hauls coming up. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. But anyways, so I no sooner finish filming and towards the end of that video, and he like vroom, the lawnmower, and I'm like, you've got to be joking me. So if you hear noise, it's because my husband wants to be productivity, and you know what? Who am I to tell the man not to cut the grass? I know I don't want to do it. So thank you, hubs. I appreciate you. So in today's video, it's about the Chic beauty box, not me ranting and raving that my house is busy and the motion detectors are going off, but yet I can't find no quietness anywhere. Hold on. I don't know why I had that clipped up. Oh, it's like taking off your bra, right? Anyways, I probably should have clipped it back. Anyways, this is the May-June Chic beauty box that they sent over. Thank you to Chic Beauty Box for sending this over my way. It is still in the little packaging because I like doing first impressions with y'all. So if you are new to Chic Beauty Box, this is a bi-monthly subscription. I almost said prescription. Anyways, so this box is full of makeup, and that's it. It starts at $34.99, and I do think I have a coupon code with them. I think it's Hotmess, could be Rhonda, I don't know. It'll be linked down below for you guys as far as that goes. So, didn't think to get my scissors. Okay, come on now. Whoop, there we go. It says you can choose. Oh, you get to choose 5 to 6 full-size brand name beauty products. And I did forget about that. You do get to customize it. Now, because this was set in PR, I don't get to customize it, which I'm totally fine. You get what you get, you don't throw a fit. But when it does come to Chic Beauty Box, you do get to customize the items in here. Now, when they say name brand, keep in mind that is a little bit of everything. That could be drugstore. That could also be things that you found at Ulta or Sephora as well. So it's not just going to be, you know, like Sephora, Ulta products, high-end only. You could see like Olme in here as well. So anyways, opening it up, we've got the box like so. We do have a card. Oh, we've got little like roofies in here. So we do have a card in here. Oh, refer a friend and win some points. Get your friends and family a 20% off and score $10 in your Chic Beauty Box account when you refer a friend using the QR code below. So make sure when you receive yours that you share your QR code. And then on the other side, you've got everything that is in this box. Oh, and a grand total. We love that. Okay, so the first item in here that I see is the Excess and Glow highlighter from OFRA Cosmetics. You guys know they are known for their highlighters. They are magical. So now I actually own this, and there's actually an OFRA Cosmetics giveaway going on right now on my channel. I'll link that down below for y'all, where I'm giving away this highlighter as well. So if you guys like it as highlighter, I'm gonna just go ahead and do a giveaway in this video too, because why not? That way it keeps me from keeping on to stuff and forgetting about it. So guess what? Today is going to be a giveaway. And with that being said, the way I do my giveaways, you guys, I have to keep them easy peasy because mama's busy. So there's going to be a form, a link to a form down in my description box. Fill the form out in its entirety, okay? Everything I ask you, I need that filled out. And then when I pick my winner, I literally just ship it to your door. There's no hunting anybody down. There's no me having to post, hey, winner, I need you to, like, you know, respond to my email. No, I used to do that. I used to do it that way, and it was so difficult. And if you want to enter into today's giveaway, just fill that form out with all the information I'm requesting, and you will know you won when it shows up at your door. Again, super simple, super easy. You can ask anybody who has won any of my giveaways in the comment section. If you guys read my comments, they'll always say, oh my gosh, I didn't even know I won, and then this showed up, and I'm like, yay. It's like a surprise. It's like Christmas. I love doing it like that. So anyways, this is going to be one of the items in today's giveaway. Just check my description box down below, and this has a $35 price tag. But if you do want to shop OFRA's website, code HOTMESS will save you 20%. And by the way, all my giveaways are no purchase necessary. Not that I sell anything, but just FYI in that. Next item in here is the Suva Beauty Hydra Fix Doodle D. What is this? It's a Hydra Liner Doodle with a $16 retail value. Oh my gosh. Haley will love this. How fun is that? It literally matches my nails. Oh my gosh. I think this is one of those things that you add water. Why do you always smell stuff? You just add water to it and then it's like nice and bright. Let's be honest, my daughter is going to get far more use out of this product than I will. So I will be giving that to Haley. But that is fun. That is so fun. And in case I forgot, $16 price tag on that. Next item in here is by the brand Beauty for Certain, and this is, I think, their lip gloss. Let's see. Ooh, no, it's a, is it? All right, so it's a liquid lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I'll be honest with y'all, it is a deeper shade, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in the giveaway for you guys. As far as the color goes, it is in the shade 24. So this will be part of the giveaway with the OFRA Cosmetics highlighter. Little information how to use. It says gently exfoliate and prep your lips and then apply it. So that's the color. I've received the lip glosses in the past from this brand and I like them. But like I said, this being a lipstick, or Beauty for Certain. Did I say Beauty for Real? No telling with my brain. But anyways, Beauty for Certain, $22 retail value, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. That's going in today's giveaway. All right, next in here we have the Suva Beauty. Oh, this is smart. They put the brush in with this. This brush does have a $13 retail value. It's the 620 liner brush. So that, honestly, that was smart of them to put that in there as well. And then the last item in here is by Cab Cosmetics. And this is their eyeshadow palette. Now, I think they only have one eyeshadow palette, to be honest with you. So I think if that's the case, it's the Day to Night. Yeah, Day to Night. And I own this one already. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in a giveaway for today. Oh, I did not think things through and get my scissors. A little MacGyver action. So I'll show you guys what the palette looks like. So if you're interested in entering this giveaway, you'll know this is the palette. So it's a nice palette. It honestly reminds me of like Huda Beauty's original palette. Maybe not, but kinda one of her palettes. But that's what it looks like. It does have a mirror in here. And I've actually got looks on my channel with this palette. It was one that we received a while back in like a BoxyCharm like forever ago. So that's going to be in today's giveaway as well. So if you want to enter into today's giveaway and receive 3 out of the 5 products that were in today's box, then definitely check my description box below. I feel like if I start doing things like this, I won't clutter everything up in my room. I was telling my girlfriends, I just get really overwhelmed. And if you purchase from me in my Poshmark, I always make goodie bags as well. So I'm constantly giving stuff away. The kids' friends come over, I'm like, here, take it. But this way I can give back to you all more and more. So anywho, that is everything in the Chic Beauty box. It did come to a grand total of $138. And for the price, did I tell you guys the price? I think I did, but it's $34.99 bi-monthly. And this is fully customizable. So just keep that in mind. I don't know what the choices were. If you are a Chic Beauty box customer, definitely let us know down below what the choices were. Like the Cab Cosmetics palette up against what? the OFRA Cosmetics highlighter up against what? You know what I mean? So definitely let us know down below. Thank you once again to Chic Beauty Box for sending this over my way. I greatly appreciate it, and I enjoy unboxing this every single month. Or no, every other month for you all. So if you want to see other unboxings that I've done with Chic Beauty Box, there is a playlist down in my description box. If you want to enter into today's giveaway, then make sure to check my description box for that link. And please do not ever comment back to anyone who pretends to be me and says, hey, you won. I never even announce who wins. Like I told you all, I just send it to you. I'm not looking for any, like, I don't know. I don't even, like I said, I just pick the winner, ship it off, and you know you won when it comes at your door. I will not contact you all. Like I said, it's just so much easier doing giveaways this way. It's nice, it's safe. Nobody has to put their information out there publicly like I used to. So anyways, if you want to pick these items up or a chance to win, just check the link down below. If you want to sign up for the Chic Beauty Box, I will have a link below for that. Coupon code and everything. And if you want to shop OFRA Cosmetics, hello, they've got their big premium deluxe mystery box. And oh my gosh, that box, I unboxed it. It's freaking amazing. Like, blown away amazing. And you can actually use my coupon code HOTMESS to save 20%. And OFRA Cosmetics offers Rakuten. So if you shop Rakuten and use Rakuten, you can go to ofracosmetics.com and get, I think it's like 2% cash back maybe. I can't remember, but either way, you get money back shopping. You want to sign up for Rakuten? I have a link for that too. I have links for anything and everything. But by the way, when you sign up for Rakuten, you'll get a referral link to share. And so you can make $30 every time your friend signs up and makes a qualified purchase. So anywho's that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to get this video up to y'all as fast as I can. And I think I forgot what I was going to say. Well, there's that. I'm going to go eat lunch. Until next time, friends, follow me on my other channels. Hotmess in the Kitchen, where I probably should rename it. Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do curvy girl fashion hauls over there. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for absolutely everything. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. Thank you to those of you that have hit that thanks button. Please never feel like you have to, but I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you guys bunches and bunches for that. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and